let us start our first class. Topic is relation and function. Before going into the class, first we recall whatever we have learned in the class 11. Set. Set is a collection of well-defined elements. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, representation of set. We can represent the set in two form. One is roster form. For example, A equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The next is set builder form. The same set we can write in this form X, such that X is an odd natural numbers less than 10. Subset. Every element of B is also an element of A. Each and every element is also the element in A. 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. So each and every element is there in the set A, means then we can say that B contains in A, that is B is inside the A. B is subset of A. Next, Cartesian product. Set of all ordered pairs of two sets. Let us take two sets. A equal to 1, 2 and 3. B is equal to 6 and 7. Two sets are there. Now write the all ordered pairs, possible ordered pairs for these two sets. A cross B. The Cartesian product A cross B is 1, 6. 1, 7. How to write is the first element from the first set and the first element from the second set. Then first element from the first set, second element in the second set. Pair like this. Similarly with the second element, second with the first one and second with the second one. 2, 6, 2, 7. Then 3, 6, 3, 7. This is Cartesian product. Now let us enter the chapter relation. Topic is relation. Now the subset of Cartesian product is relation. Subset of Cartesian product. Subset means I have to select few ordered pairs from this Cartesian product. If I select a few ordered pairs from this Cartesian product, then that subset is called as a relation. Now let us see an example. R is equal to A comma B, such that A is an odd and B should be the even number. A should belongs to the first group, that is A, and B should belongs to the second group, that is second element B. Now see that first element should be the odd one and second element should be the even one. Now go to the Cartesian product. In that, check which is having first element is odd and second element is even. Now see here 1, 6. 1 is odd number and here it is an even number. Here odd and odd. This is not possible. Now here even number, this is also not possible. Here it is even odd, that is also not possible. Here it is odd number and even number, so this is possible. Now here it is odd number and odd number, so this is not possible. So the subset is 1, 6 and 3, 6. These two ordered pairs satisfies the given condition, therefore this is a relation. Now the total number of relation for this given set. See, in the set A I have 3 elements and in the set B I have 2 elements, that is 3 into 2. 2 to the power mn. M is the number of elements in set A, n is the number of elements in the set B. So 2 to the power 3 into 2 will be 2 to the power 6. Therefore 6 elements are there in the ordered Cartesian product. Now the next one is types of relation. Let R be a relation in a set A. Now let us take the same set A. 1, 2, 3 are the 3 elements. Now Cartesian product A cross A. See here, say for the before that I have taken set A with 3 elements and set B with 2 elements, but here I am going to write Cartesian product for the same set A cross A. So 3 elements in the set A and another 3 elements in the set B. Therefore 2 to the power mn means m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 equal to 2 to the power 9. Therefore 9 elements will be there in the Cartesian product. Now these are those 9 elements. See, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3. These are the ordered pairs for this Cartesian product. Now R is a relation in a set A. R is a relation in a set A. How to write that is R is contained in, where is this, my R is in this Cartesian product A cross A. R, I can write this as A related to A, that is A related to A capital R A. The next one is empty relation. Empty set, we know empty set means null set. The same thing here, empty relation means we will not have any ordered pairs which satisfies the given condition. Now see, let us see with this example. A relation R in a set A is called empty relation. When we will say that is an empty relation means no elements of set A is related to any elements of set A. Now see with the example. Now see here, capital R is equal to A comma B such that A plus B is equal to 8. I have to select the ordered pair such that if I add A and B, that is elements in the ordered pair, if I add means I should get the answer 8. Now check this ordered pairs. If I add these two, whether I will get 8 or not, we have to check. 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 1, 4, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 3, 6. I will not get 8. So there is no ordered pairs such that if I add the elements of this added pair, I will get the answer 8. So this is a null relation, that is empty relation. This satisfies the condition, therefore this is called as an empty relation. Now see here, R is equal to A comma B such that A is equal to 5A. Now A is element 1, 2 and 3. A is equal to 1, 2 and 3. B is equal to 5A, that is 5 into 1, 5. Now ordered pair is 1 comma 5. Now B is equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. So ordered pair will be 2 comma 10. Now B is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15. So it is 3 comma 15. This is not there in this Cartesian product. Therefore this is satisfies the given condition. Therefore this is a empty relation. Now see the last one. R is equal to A comma B such that A and B both should be odd. Now see this Cartesian product, whether I have any at least one, any of these ordered pair, so that both are odd numbers. See the first element itself 1 and 1, so this is odd, and see this second is not possible. The third one 1 comma 3, both the numbers are odd. This is not possible, this is not possible, this is not possible. Now see here 3 comma 1, this is possible. 3 comma 2, that is not possible. 3 comma 3, this is ordered. Now see here, I have 4 ordered pairs satisfies the given condition. Therefore this is not a empty relation.